Welcome back everyone to another Adobe CC Express tutorial, and today we are talking about gradient fills for text. This is really effective to make text color stand out a bit more and to give text more uniqueness and to make your thumbnail stand out. Let's get started. So we're going to need to use the background function. Otherwise, you can get your own free gradients like images off the internet. But for this showcase, we're going to be using the backgrounds tab in Adobe CC Express. We will be looking for gradients. So if you just type in gradients here, find a bunch of cool gradients. And yeah, we're going to be going for a reddish feel. So maybe we're going to go for these. And just in case you don't know, images or these backgrounds that have this crown, the symbol means that it requires premium, and I'm using my premium account, so that means I can use them. For the free users, there will definitely be free ones, so yeah, just look out for it. So we're gonna choose our gradient and we're gonna press move freely. Once our thing is loaded, we're just gonna adjust this to our liking. So we're first gonna rotate this 90 degrees, and now we're gonna create our text. So and text could be anything, and for this tutorial we're gonna go with gradient and just drag it along the middle like this. And now we're gonna press this shape button. Now the default shape will be this first option, and we are going to be using this first option. And for the shape color, it doesn't really matter. You could do anything, but I might go for like a lighter orange color. Alright, so now we're gonna go for this option, which is expand the shape. We're gonna do this to at least 15. So what we're gonna want here is so that the shape touches the edges of the shape or the gradient fill behind it. So gently scale this down. And what you want to do is to mask the text so the text gets the gradient. So from here, one thing you want to do is to crop your shape. And now there's going to be guides, because if you drag down, if you crop the shape too much, it'll show the text. So just crop this accordingly so that it fits your shape. And it doesn't matter what shape your thing has, because there's different crop dimensions in the crop area tool. And yeah, this is a really nice way, and yeah, there you go, that's basically it. But that's not clear, right? So we're going to be adding one more thing. So if you just click on it again, so you're going to have the text layer. We're going to duplicate the text layer, and instead of using the shape, we're going to press outline and mask text, and you're going to use white. It looks the best. And now you just drag this accordingly, and what I recommend is using 1 as your outline. And now, because it looks a bit off, we can choose the background image to be our color palette. And there you go. That looks really good. And obviously, because this is all group, once you scale it up, it matches, and the gradient stays really clean. And that just looks really good. This also works for any type of text, different fonts. There might just be like a bit of like gradient left, but obviously you can just trim that out. You can just scale this up to 17, and you won't notice this thing. Yeah, that's pretty good. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you guys did enjoy, please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.